Hello guys, I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and this particular item that I have right now, it is part of the spring and summer 2022 collection, and it is part of, I think this is the last collection from Virgil Abloh though. I'm not really sure. I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is the last collection from Virgil Abloh. But anyway, this particular collection is stunning. It is just one of the most beautiful collection I have ever seen. And I have to have it. But this item that I will be showing it to you right now, it is actually a gift. And it is a gift for a special someone, and I am actually showing it with you guys because I wanted it to share this particular beauty. It is so beautiful. It is so stunning. So here comes this. Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, so they put it in the box like this, and I just recently got it from the mail. It took them a while though, because this item were sold out, completely sold out, and I believe this is going to be really hard to find. And I know that I have placed several orders in this collection. I think I'm allowed to order 4 of these in this collection, and I did use that. I ordered 4 with different styles though, and I just can't wait to get all of them. But this is the first item that arrived. I am surprised that I was like not keeping my hopes high on this piece because it was completely gone. It is a highly sought after pieces for the spring and summer collection. So now, oh my gosh, here comes, oh my gosh, the color is stunningly beautiful. I hope that my camera is picking up well this beauty, and it is a Louis Vuitton slender wallet. Wow, oh my gosh, it is very soft and supple. Oh my gosh, it's really soft, and I could just literally feel the, oh my gosh, the debossing right there. I could literally feel it, the ridge and everything. And let me give you a closer look of it. Look at that, guys. It is so deep right there that you don't need to get so close to it and touch it, but you could just literally see how deep the debossing is. Really, that's how deep it is. And wow, the color for this is, we have a blue right here at the bottom, and at the top as we go up, it is a neon green color. Wow, oh my gosh. And it does seem to look like the color, the ombre effect on this beauty is amazing. And the color changes. You would, oh my gosh, I can't get over how lovely this is. So let me just open this completely so that we will be able to see both sides. Wow, this one is stunning. Definitely. Wow, I would definitely gonna recommend this if you are looking for a wallet. Oh my gosh, I still can't get over how lovely it is. Oh my goodness, I am stunned. I was speechless for a little bit right there. Wow, it is insanely beautiful in person. I mean, on the website it looks great, but as soon as, when you see it for real, it makes a lot of difference though. Right there, this one is made up of this Turillan leather. So it is monogram all over it, and it is debossed with this beautiful, wow, and the Tyrolean leather right there. So the leather has a grain, definitely. That's the nature of the Tyrolean leather. Very soft right there. I want to press it, and it's very, very soft. It does feel so luxurious, guys. Wow, very nice. So let's, and also I have noticed in the stitching right here, I have noticed that the stitching is entirely different. So right here at the top, the stitching is in green right here, and then as we go along right here at the bottom, it changes to blue color. How cool is that? It's blue right here, and then as we go up right here, it is green. Wow, the detail is gorgeous. What more can I say? Let's take a look at inside. Okay, so this is the inside right here. It is literally in blue color, and a deep blue color, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots right here, and also 4 on the other sides as well right there. So let me take out the product information. This is the product information right here, M81242, and this one is retails for $935 US. That's before tax right here. And then we also have a slip pocket on the side, another slip pocket right here, and then we have the bill compartment right there. It is lined with a smooth cowhide leather. All of it, I believe, let me see. Yeah, this one is made up of leather inside and out. I was just worried a little bit, like they would put a fabric in here, a textile, but apparently these are all made up lined with leather, I believe. Yeah, it is right there. It's in black right there, and also on the other side it's lined with leather. Everything is leather in this. Absolutely amazing. And the stitching inside, it's in blue. It is a tonal stitching, very lovely. And we have right here the logo. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. We have a stamping right here. This is a fashion show stamp. So maybe you are wondering about if you see something about on the pieces that they put this extra writing in there, that's because the piece that you're actually getting is part of the fashion show. So it says right here, let me give you a closer look. It says right here, let me try to read this. It says Dishly Home. So that means it's men's fashion show. And it says right here, wow, it's so bright. It says Pronta Eti 2022. That means spring and summer of 2022. So that is a fashion show stamp. So when you see something or came across in one of the fashion show collection, you will see those extra writing that right there, and it says right here it is part of the men's fashion show for spring and summer of 2022. Very lovely. This one makes it more like an extremely like limited edition pieces, and I really love to see those writings. So wow, it's amazing. So right now I've actually seen a little bit of flaws on this piece. I mean, the ring light is so bright, and actually this is made up of the cowhide smooth leather, and obviously you see some scratches. I've seen right here. But the significant, uh, there is significant, I don't know, marks in here. Like this one right here. What is this? I don't really, maybe this is a crease or something. It looks odd because that is not a card slot. So it is at the bottom of this card slot right here. Right there. I don't even know what that is. I'm gonna give you a closer look so that you guys will be able to see that. I think it's not flawed though, because this is made up of cowhide leather, which is smooth, which I believe if you started using this, you'll get a lot more wear. You'll get a lot more. This is prone for creasing, prone for scratches. That's because of that's the nature of a smooth leather, which I always prefer to have something that's made up of cowhide. No, not cowhide. It's made up of a pebbled leather or the Tyrolean leather right here. If you see some scratches or marks, you're not going to be able to see it. That's because of the grain. So this one is smooth. This one has grain right here, the pebbling. So that's the difference. But right here on the inside, I could already see some creasing right there. And that doesn't look really nice when you just purchase an item and you're actually seeing those stuff. But anyway, once again, this is a gift, and I just I want to make sure if he would like it, if he's all right with that. If not, then we might end up looking for something else for Valentine's Day. But as far as I don't know, really personally, maybe because I am just being picky myself, but that part right there, it looks terrible. It's so distinctive, it's so clear. It looks like it has been scratched by somebody right there, which is not really, I don't know, it looks terrible. It's not really flattering. It's not nice to look at. But anyway, on the outside, this one has a glazing right here. It does seem to look like the glazing is, let me see. The glazing is looking pretty good. It's intact and it was clean. It was done very well. It's very clean. And on the inside, there is, it's also a is this a glazing right here? Yeah, it is a glazing, but it was done perfectly. It blends in perfectly with the smooth leather, which is actually a good thing. And I have ordered the pocket organizer, two of those pocket organizer, which is the same color as this green and the neon green and the blue, and they have the pink and the blue as well. And I also have the Keep All XS. I'm still waiting for it, and I am waiting. I was just hoping that it will get here before the end of this month. If not, I will be just canceling my order. I've already paid for it. It is just a matter of waiting actually, but if it's not gonna get here before at the end of this month, then I will be canceling it. There's no point of waiting for that long. I was told for 15 business days to fulfill the order, and business days. So that means it's not in Saturday and Sunday, it's not included. So they always try to emphasize the 15 business days of trying to source out your item. And I am actually close to the 15th, and I am hoping that it gets fulfilled beginning of next week. If not, then I will be canceling it and move on to another item. I mean, I pre-ordered a lot of stuff in the past, and there's only quite a few gets fulfilled. And sometimes I have a lot of patience that I waited for a couple of months, and sometimes I waited for a month and a half for something that I was being told for just 15 days. And the sad part is that I've already paid it off. That's the only thing. If I didn't pay it off, I didn't make a payment, then it would be okay. You know, like some of the fashion houses, you'd only pay as soon as the item was shipped, I prefer that over for paying something where still there's no guarantee that you would be able to get hands on the items or get fulfilled. Because as soon as it gets over 15 days, they said it's actually past the projected date. So that means you have an option to wait more or cancel it. So since I myself would say I have to wait, I'll wait because I've already paid for it. And besides, it is a limited edition piece. Who knows when it's, I don't know, it will be replenished or not. But the color for this is gorgeous. The leather, so beautiful. The material that they use, the Turillian leather, is, I love it. I totally love it. And let me just try to take a look at, let me see my, I have an upfront right here. Let me take my wallet. Let me see if I could find my upfront wallet. Okay. So this is the envelope card receipt. And right here, this is made up of an upfront leather. And the other one is made up of a Turillian leather. I'm going to give you a little bit of a comparison between the two. And you could literally see that on my left, the Turillian leather, and compared to the upfront leather, you could see the embossing. This one is so deep. Okay, so that is the comparison. I hope that you guys will be able to see that, the comparison between the two. Now, right there. So yeah, it is so distinctive. You could literally see how deep the embossing is. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The upfront has grain too, but it's a little bit stiffer. But this one is very supple, really soft. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.